Assalamu alaikum viewers, it's Muhammad Shahrukh Siddiqui and you are watching Loas TV. So today viewers, we are going to discuss some sort of trending topics that were trending in Pakistan yesterday. So the topic today I am going to discuss is about the news that we have received. TikTokers, the TikTok stars were invited in Punjab governor house to inform people and educate people about coronavirus, COVID-19 pandemic. This is one of the most hilarious and mouth-watering news for all the memers and bloggers, because don't we have doctors, engineers, or some other paramedical staff? Doesn't we have some sort of wonderful actors, some sort of social athletes? Doesn't we have any of them to give knowledge about COVID-19 pandemic? No, we don't have any one of them. So we have brought TikTok stars to educate our people about COVID-19 pandemic. Aren't we giving and we are just providing them to flourish? Aren't we setting an example for our young generations to follow? Aren't we going to tell them that please you have to become a TikTok star if you want to achieve this? If you want to come in the governor house, you should be a TikTok star. You shouldn't get yourself educated. You shouldn't promote yourself to become an engineer or doctor or some sort of a useful member of your society.